Let's hope that doesn't look too bad. Also, I hung a calendar. Look at how cute it is. You can't see, but it's the floating mountains right now. I think it's very cute. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm just admiring my own highlight in the viewfinder. Why am I like this? But welcome back. Today I am a month out and already thinking about packing. I'm not sorry at all. So I know for you guys, you're May 13th humans, you group out there, the majority of Canadians going actually, and my fall advantage people, and I think Mexico has that move-in date too. Who knows? I thought I would do a little bit of a video just about packing my clothes. This is only going to be my clothing. So this is going to include like shoes, accessories, toiletries, makeup, stuff like that. I kind of want to do a whole nother video on my makeup and skincare because I have a lot of feelings about that personally. So if you want to see that video, hit me up, but this is going to be about my clothing. I am packing it in this bag. So what I'm bringing with me is I'm bringing one large suitcase that I'm going to check, and then I'm bringing my backpack. Last year I also brought this duffel bag that I carried on, but the problem was I brought so much stuff that I had no room to bring stuff back. So what you're about to see, it's in the past for me, it's in the future for you, is this duffel bag. Hello. I'm trying to fit all my clothes in this duffel bag, and then I can put this duffel bag inside my big suitcase and bring this, and then I can bring this duffel bag full of stuff on my way back. That is the plan. So keep in mind, I'm only there for 3 months. I'm there from August. Nope, that's wrong. May until September. So this is what I am personally packing for clothing. If you think this would be interesting, just keep on watching. We're gonna go do that now. So this is our setup. It's a little bit different than me normally sitting down. Sorry if you can also see like junk around me. I have like a mirror. This is the wheel of my bed. Backpack's back here. And then this is the bag that I'm trying to fill that I talked about earlier. But this is kind of, so far, our setup. I feel like I need to get further down. Hi. Obviously this can change to an extent. This is just right now what I'm sticking with. So I have it kind of organized, and I want to go through and show you kind of my little piles of things and then try and fit it all in this bag here. So I'm going to start from the back here so I can move these piles away. These are just 2 tank tops. They're like little camisole tank tops from Old Navy. They were like $6 a piece, then half off. I just got these to wear underneath my costume this summer, but super basic plain tank tops. And this is just one swimsuit. Super cute scoop neck top and high-waisted bottoms there. I might bring another swimsuit, but for right now, I'm just gonna bring this one. I literally didn't wear the one last year that I brought, so I'm not gonna pack a bunch. Then this pile here is like my random pile. So this pile is kind of stuff that is casual but doesn't really have another home. The top one, this is like my one cutesy dress. I wear this a lot for Rapunzel Disney Bounds. I'll throw up a photo here of me in this dress, you can see it. I didn't wear it a ton last summer, but I think it's super cute if I go to like the Bon Voyage breakfast, something like that. Just a cute little dress. This I will show in an upcoming clothing haul, but this is a like calf length spaghetti strap jumpsuit for American Eagle. Everything I own is black and I'm wearing black, so you can't really see it. But it does have like thin little straps, a cute little tie around the waist. I just want something that'll be nice and flowy, so that's that. And then this is my chiffon shirt that I've had for a billion years and I wear all the time. It is from American Apparel. Rest in peace, American Apparel. But it's just a long sleeve sheer chiffon shirt. It doesn't look sheer right now. There we go. It's a long sleeve sheer chiffon shirt that buttons all the way up to the neck. I like wearing it all the way buttoned up. I like wearing it around my waist. Throw a photo up here of me in it again. This is like my holy grail article of clothing in my life. I don't have underwear in this video, but I do have bras, so I fully believe that sports bras are the way to go. I have a few like little triangle bralette things, but for the most part, these are like either comfy bras like this or like full-on sports bras. I have some from Lululemon here, or like the Calvin Klein banded bras. It's so hot in Florida that no one should ever wear a real bra. That's just me saying that because I haven't worn a real bra in a year, but this is my, in years, I haven't worn a real bra in years, but this is my personal opinion here. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the one I'm wearing, I'll probably like bring around 10-ish. I'll leave this for last. This is the biggest pile. These are shorts. I just have 2 pair here. I'm not a big shorts person. The first one is just like black denim frayed cutoffs from American Eagle, and these are just a really comfy pair of like cotton spandex biker shorts for American Apparel. I don't really get biker shorts as like their own trend. This is mostly for wearing underneath dresses and stuff like that. These are kind of my like small tops and bodysuits. This bodysuit I love, 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 love. I wore it so much last year. And if you're on the Canadian program, bring something red with you so you can wear it on Canada Day and you can match everyone. So this is what I brought last year. I really love that. Underneath, this is the exact same like spaghetti strap, super soft material bodysuit in black. They're the same. This is a teeny tiny little like crop top that is ribbed, super cute. I might throw in another small crop top like this because they don't take up very much space, but there's that. And then this is just another bodysuit for American Apparel. It is a razorback and just a regular old bodysuit. I personally like wearing bodysuits in the parks. You don't have to worry about pulling things up or things falling down or riding up. I think they're comfy. Those are all my little tops. These are my pants and leggings. I do have a pair of jeans here. I don't know if I'm going to bring them because they're super, super heavy. I'm not a big jean person, but I'm debating it. They're here just in case. If they fit and I still have a crap ton of room, I'll bring them. If they don't, I won't. And then I have the two I showed in my last vlog. These are my Lululemon 7/8 length Wonder Unders, and these are my Lululemon 7/8 length Align leggings. So these are kind of my pants there. This is my sleepwear. So these are just a pair of cheap ass shorts I bought from Walmart last year. And then this I got at Cast Connection for like really on sale. It's my Alani Spirit jersey. And then this pile is my Traditions clothes. This is a little sundress type dress, cinched at the waist, has some cute little detailing on the top there. It is spaghetti strap, but I'll show you the cardigan I'm going to wear with this. Wore this last year, had no problems with Disney look. Also, I think it looks a little bit more formal because it's black. This is the sweater I brought to wear it with. It looks huge. I'm not going to unfold it, but it's a super, super long, loose knit sweater. If they don't sell it anymore, but it was the shawl cardigan from American Apparel. Got that. Had this for like, I'm not kidding, like 6+ years, and I absolutely love it. That's one outfit. And this is my second outfit. I've showed these pants before. They'll be an upcoming like sit down haul, but these are from American Eagle. They're little like paper bag crepe material pants that hit like mid calf. And then I'm going to throw it with this shirt. This is a thicker strap tank top. This is from Garage. It's like a super cute ribbed material. It does have like cuts on the side. I don't know if y'all can see. It does cut up on the side, but I'm going to wear it tucked in so you can't even see. I've already tried it on. It looks adult enough, I promise. These are my t-shirts. I love t-shirts so much, so this is my biggest one. I'm just going to go through really, really quick. There's literally hair all over these. I don't know what I've done. This is the vegan Mickey waffle shirt from the Lost Bros. I love this. I wore this to death. This is probably my most worn like Disney-esque shirt. This is from Teak, T-E-Q. I won this in a giveaway actually a while ago. It was like their 8K giveaway, but super cute. Has a little embroidered Mike Wazowski on it. I love it. Also, I don't have it here because I don't know where the top is, but I am bringing my Stewart Avenue, definitely not my Dino shirt. I just need to track that shirt down. Also from the Lost Bros, this is my Drink Around the World shirt. Wore it a bunch last year. Really, really like it. I don't know if I'm going to bring this one, but it's like a comfy shirt. It's that like thinner, softer material. I think it's a snack with a twist and the people mover. It has a little Mickey pretzel, and then it has like the people mover on the bottom. So this is my one like Walt Disney World exclusive shirt because it has the people mover. This is from Happiest Tea on Earth. This is another one that's just super comfy. It's the Mouseketeer shirt. Got this from Cast Connection for like $5 because there's a little hole in the back. Love it. This is the main shirt. I am planning on going to Sad Summer Fest. I think that's what it's called, where the main is one of the headlining bands. I love them. They're my favorite band. This is one of my favorite shirts. I love this so much. These two are just basic. This is like a boyfriend cut, really, really long, like muscle tee tank, muscle tank. The sleeves are cut off, but just super comfy. Then this is a really soft, like distressed shirt. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's holes in it. But yeah, just super, super comfy options there. Big old pair of socks, a pair of tights. I will have some ankle socks as well in here, and I might bring one pair of white socks just in case, but that's all I have right here for now. So now we're going to try and fit all of this in this bag. I'm gonna keep it all folded. If I need to roll it when I'm actually packing, then obviously I'll roll it. But I'm gonna try and keep it folded now to fit it all in here just to see what happens, okay? We're gonna speed this up for you. Also, I've showed this bag before. This is my big ol' Sephora duffel bag. Has a nice big strap, has little straps. I'm a fan of it. Oh, I have a foundation and moisturizer in here. We'll take those out. Hello, I'm still up here somewhere. Hi. This is my final clothing bag packed. I might add or subtract a few things. Y'all have already seen my video on my carry-on bag, my backpack. I'll have that linked up in the cards as well for you to take a look at. And if you'd be interested in seeing a video on how I'm packing my makeup and my skincare and things like that, also let me know because I'm happy to do that, as well as a video talking about like what housing kind of stuff I'm bringing with me as well. So that is it for all. Let's go back to seated me. So that kind of lays out everything that I'm bringing with me and I'm packing. The only thing I'm going to briefly mention is my airplane outfit. It's either going to be this sweater, which is my main hoodie. This hoodie I really like as well. This is my Harvard Ball Hurry Back Haunted Mansion hoodie. Or I have my super cute like this hoodie too from Walt Disney World. So it'll be one of these hoodies that I'll be wearing. The leggings that are on my legs right now. I can't bend this way, help. But these are the original Dreamy first edition leggings from Gymshark. They're super comfy, and I don't have a shirt on underneath these right now, but I'll put a shirt on for the plane, I promise. That's kind of my airplane outfit on top of what I am packing there. Like I said, if you would like to see a video on my skincare and my makeup and household things once I purchase those, I'm going down to Vancouver next week and going to IKEA and buying bedding and stuff like that. So if you would be interested in that, also let me know. I'm happy to do that. Otherwise, if you want to see more Disney stuff in general, feel free to subscribe. I upload twice a week, usually Tuesdays and Thursdays, sometimes other days. Who knows? Tuesdays and Thursdays I'm always here though. All my links to everything else are down below. As always, you can hit me up on Instagram and Twitter. I'm there all the time. And I will see you guys in a couple days as well.